Hey guys, this is Ed Sheeran, Little Bird. I hope you enjoy it. If we take this bird in with its broken leg, we could nurse it, she said. Come inside for a little lie down with me. If you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. But when I wake up and your makeup is on my shoulder, and tell me if I lie down, would you stay now and let me hold you? Oh, if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete, yeah. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regrets. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you, oh, my little bird. If we take a walk out in the morning dew, we could lay down so I'm next to you. Come inside for a little homemade tea. If you fall asleep then at least you're next to me. And if I wake up, say it's late love, get back to sleep. I'm covered by nature, and I'm safe now underneath this oak tree with you beside me. If I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete, yeah. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regrets. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you, oh, my little bird. My little bird, my little bird, my little bird. And of all these things I'm sure of, I'm not quite certain of your love. You make me scream, and then I make you cry. When I left that little bird with his broken leg to die. If I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete, yeah. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regrets. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you, oh, my little bird, my little bird, my little bird, my little bird, oh, 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 yeah, you're my little bird. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below if you want anything. I'm up to sing anything. Thanks for watching.